Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show scaling a Stretchy rig in Autodesk Maya 2020. So let's get started. Go to side view, change modeling menu to rigging menu, skeleton, create joint, create one joint here, one here, another here, one here and another here. Press enter, rename the joint, hip, knee, ankle, ball, and the last one is toe. Press enter, go to skeleton, create IK handle option, rotate current solver, rotate plane solver, click one on the hip joint and another on the ankle joint. Again go to skeleton, create IK handle option, change rotate plane solver to single chain solver, click one on the ankle joint, another on the ball joint, select this, click one on the ball joint and another on the toe joint, go to perspective view. Now select the first two IK handle, Ctrl plus G to group it, press D, to edit pivot point and snap it to the ball joint, press D or insert key, select the third IK handle, Ctrl plus G, press D, press V to snap it to the ball joint, select these two group, press Ctrl plus G to create another group, press D, this time snap it to the toe joint, press D, take a nerve circle, scale the nerve circle just like this, modify freeze transformation, select the group 3, control select the nerve circle from the outliner, press P to parent it. Now take and rename the nerve circle as foot controller. Take another nerve circle, scale the nerve circle just like this, modify freeze transformation, go to create, measure tool, take distance tool, press V to snap one on the hip joint and another on the ankle joint, press enter. Now select the hip joint, control select the locator 1 from the outliner, go to constraint, create point constraint, select the foot controller, control select the locator 2, create parent constraint. Now go to select the nerve circle, the large nerve circle, and rename it as scalar. Go to display shape, double click and rename it as leg distance. Go to Windows, node editor, press tab key, take a multiply and divide node, connect the distance to input 1x, press tab key, take a condition node, Ctrl plus G to undo, tab key, condition node, click continue, distance connected to the first term, Select the multiply and divide node. Open attribute editor, copy the input 1 value, operation type select divide, Ctrl plus V to paste it. Select the condition node, connect and outx to the color if true R. Paste the value on the second term, greater or equal. Select the condition node, Windows General Editor, Connection Editor. Select the hip joint, reload right, out color R, connect it to the scale X. Select the knee joint, out color R to scale X. Now select the foot controller, move and see the effect, stretching effect, Ctrl plus G to undo. Now open node editor, select this connection, press delete, connect the out X to first term, select the condition node, open attribute editor and second term type 1, press enter, multiply and divide node, copy the value, Ctrl plus C, press tab key on your keyboard, take another multiply and divide node, connect the out X to and select this first multiply and divide node, channel box, select the second multiply and divide node, copy this value, Ctrl plus C, multiply and divide node 2, Ctrl plus V to paste it, connect the out X to input 2x, select the multiply and divide 2 node, open attribute editor, open the connection editor, click reload left, select the scalar, reload right, input 2x to scale X. Now first select the joint, Control select the controller, foot controller from the outliner and select the locator, and lastly shift select the scalar from the viewport, press P to parent it. Now select the scalar, scale and see the effect. This is how you can scaling a Stretchy rig in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.